I'm Dypiangco, a Roblox brand strategist who has helped top companies like Hot Topic, Paramount have huge success on the platform. But here's the thing, so many brands and developers come to Roblox thinking that success is automatic, but it isn't. Without the right strategies, you risk wasting time, money, and opportunities. That's why I created Unlocking Roblox Growth. It's a 5-week, live, cohort-based course. It's designed to help you attain traffic, boost monetization, and master game mechanics. It has over $2,900 in value, including exclusive course content and bonuses like a one-on-one consulting call with me where I'll answer any of your questions or review any of your plans, a marketing playbook, a database of top branded and non-branded games and UGC, and a bunch of case studies, including a brand new Dress to Impress case study. You'll get everything you need to unlock Roblox growth, all for just $850. But heads up, spots are limited to 30 seats, and enrollment closes on Wednesday, January 29th at 2 p.m. Pacific. Don't miss your chance to get in early to Roblox and ride this incredible wave that continues to grow. Sign up and let's unlock your growth together.